How shall we do it? Shall we gather this evidence or that evidence? Shall we do internal or external? What shall we do to gather evidence and ensure quality? Frameworks for assessing quality. What shall we look at? How shall we look at it? How does one bit seem more important than another? Quality standards for regulation. You cannot turn around without another standard being written for quality in medical education. And then there's a lot of philosophical, analytical debate in the quality industry around the differences between quality assurance and quality management and quality improvement and quality enhancement and all sorts of other things, continuous quality somethings. There is a huge literature. And if you choose one person, they will come and tell you, this is what it is. And if you choose another person, they will come and tell you, no, this is what it is. And what I say is, it's an industry. And we have to stand back from this industry and look at what is important. And it's an industry which is used by many different agencies. And we have to stand back and see whether they are using it for us. So, look at all this. We've got so many different things. We have got total quality management. We have got all these different, in the blue box there, all these different elements of quality. Is it about process? Is it about structure? Organisation? Are there criteria? Are there standards? Is it actually about outcomes? Or maybe quality is to do with resources. Or maybe it's to do with the content. Perhaps we can set standards for all of this. Different people will say different things. There are books about each of them. And then we've got quality assurance, quality control, we've got quality improvement. We've got continuous quality improvement. We've got all these things, and you can draw them like that. And really, you know, I'm come from education, and if there is a field which likes to produce new jargon every day, that's education. But I think quality is our rival. Quality produces new terminology, new ways of looking at things, and therefore new things to sell you on a daily basis. Does it really matter? Do they fade into nothing at all? So, my next big message then. Who is in control of the quality industry? And who should be in control of the quality industry? It is often controlled actually by academics who write the books and by business interests who try to sell the processes. That's where most of the quality literature comes from. Medicine itself has tended to adopt industrial models of quality. They have tended to go for standards, targets, principles, inspection and compliance with those, and penalties of some form or another if you don't meet those standards. That is a very industrial model which has used to be applied and still is applied to industrial production systems. I don't think that producing a doctor is the same thing as producing a car. But that tends to be the model that people have taken. And that model believes that you can describe what medicine should be, and that you can describe what education should be doing. And then you can measure it. And then you can do something about it.